Hi, my name is Leoverica Espinosa, the grandmother of Liu B. Stiagamotin, which is she's studying here in Little Scholar Nursery, which we founded the school through social media. This school are really uh, affordable, and the schools are so helpful to help to develop the the, the skills and the talents of the kids here.
So, how has your child changed since she joined the nursery?
There's a big difference to change for the especially the being independent and being friendly to other kids.
So, what do you love most about the staff?
the the most being approachable, and they are friendly, and it's easy for you as a parents can connect the connection through and the communication through the parents and the teachers.
What's your child's favorite activity after the nursery? And what she tells them when she comes back to home that I love this or I love that, what she loves the most?
When they are doing the different kind of arts and craft, she love the arts and craft. And then when she do dancing, and then when I show you, especially when you're doing the sharing the activities in the social media, then I let her to show in the Facebook because it will post in my Facebook, and then she, yes, mommy, we'll do like this, and then she start to dancing and singing.
So, would you recommend Little Scholar to other parents?
Yes. It's high for me. It's really highly recommended, uh, especially to my friends, because it's uh, approachable, and it can help to the kids. And then the best thing is that there's a lot of changes to the kids.
So, what is something special or unique you feel the Little Scholars offered in other nurseries?
And the unique, and I think the way the staff and the learning, because some of the nurseries are not doing, they just let the kids do by themselves, but here they really teach the kids independently and to learn. Yani, because you know what, when I do different, I teach that Libby in the house, as she don't know yet how to write, she don't know how to color. But after I take her here in Little Scholar Nursery, she's good in coloring, and she start to do the writing, the letters, and then she can now identify the letters.
Thank you so much for coming.
Welcome. It's really a little nursery, little school nursery. It's really fun and friendly. The staff, everything is very nice.
Thank you.
Welcome.